Hey guys, this one's going to be a quick video, but there's something I want to show you on the Bitcoin chart. So just to recap, I just want to kind of give you an overview of where we are before I get into what I want to show you. I have the weekly chart open, BTC, and basically, I know this looks like a lot of lines, but these are all the most important levels. So if you want to trade this, basically you can kind of replicate this. So basically take a horizontal trend line and then draw a line right here where these two candle bodies are kind of like lined up with each other. So that's a very important level of, well, it was previously resistance, but now if we end up coming back to it, it's going to be a strong support. That level is around 24,574, give or take. And then you'll see here we formed a descending wedge, right? And that'll typically break bullish, which it did. And then, but in the process of breaking out of that, we're forming an ascending wedge. Now, somebody mentioned that, if this breaks down, the target would theoretically be all the way back down towards the bottom here. Basically, to get that, all you do is you project from the bottom of the wedge to the top of the wedge, and then you just project that down from the breakout point, right? So it'll be down here roughly. But we haven't broken that, so I'm not really too concerned with that area at all. But the target for this, right? So likewise, you take a projection from the bottom to the top. Well, you would do it here from the top to the bottom and then project that from this breakout point, which would take us all the way up around 50K. So the target for this descending wedge has not been hit. So I'm just prioritizing that. So that's why I'm leaning somewhat bullish right now. Now, the other lines that you should draw on your chart here, I'll just go over it with you here. This level right here is very important, which is what we're struggling with right now. This is serving as a support where we're at. It's about 29,574. Above that, we have about 31,474, about there. We came a little bit above that on the daily candle, but we ended up selling off. And right now, this is the weekly, so I'm more concerned about how the weekly candle bodies are closing. If this level breaks up, then we have a horizontal level of resistance, which is going to be around 35,000, just under 36,000. And of course, if we end up breaking bullish to here, and the price somehow makes it up to where these two lines converge, the upsloping level of resistance and this horizontal level of resistance, which would be, if the price comes to around 35,754, around right here, that would make a really good potential short opportunity to short it back down to maybe the bottom of this range or the top of this upsloping support line. Okay, so that's where we are with Bitcoin. But what I want to show you, I'm going to put this on the daily. And then you see here, we've just been in this range for over a month now. But if I look at my my oscillator here, this is a stochastic oscillator. And basically, we came up here to the very top, and a lot of traders will use this for buy and sell entries. So when we come up to the top here and we cross down, a lot of traders will typically sell. But actually, we've been able to reset this. So now we're all the way at the bottom and we're crossing back up. We've been able to reset this without a significant dip in the price. And that does not happen very often. So actually, I'm going to show you how rare it is. So here I have a different version of the stochastic oscillator. This is called the ultimate stochastic. I'll put a link to it in the pinned comment. But you'll see when the price comes up here is green, and then we turn red and come back down, the price will follow. So just to give you an example, right here, price crash. Right here, price came down. Not too crazy, but it did come down. Again, right here, price followed. Here, price followed. But now look what's happening here. We came all the way up to over 80, 85, which is the level I look for. And then we kind of like are turning down. We turn red and we're coming down. But look at the price. The price is staying where it is. The price is not following this. Right, and I know this is this oscillator. Normally they are a lagging indicator, so the price will move and then these will. But the price is staying in this range while this is resetting. So if we can maintain this range while this resets and starts to come back up, guys, that's a very strong bullish sign, and it does not happen often. As you can see, it does not happen often at all. So that's why I'm almost leaning bullish because of this. Because this is so rare, and it's a very good sign of strength. So anyway, guys, just quick video. I wanted to get this out just to show you what's going on here. But yeah, and I'm not sure how you found this video, but if you're not subscribed and you want to be able to get these updates again in the future, you might want to subscribe because this is a very small channel. It's very new, and because of that, YouTube's not really prioritizing us in the search results. So if you search for a coin in the future, chances are you're just going to get the YouTubers that have like 100,000 subscribers. So you might not be able to find this channel again. And I'm going to be doing about 2 or 3 analysis videos every single day. So if you want to get alerted, just subscribe, and then you'll see a little bell. Just click the bell and then select all. All right, guys, that's it for now. Take care. Bye.